Imagine a world ravaged by nuclear fallout. Could the tiny fruit fly buzzing around your kitchen actually outlive us all? Today, we dive into the astonishing science behind these everyday insects and their remarkable ability to withstand radiation. Get ready to uncover how the humble fruit fly might just be one of nature's ultimate survivors. This episode will challenge everything you thought you knew about resilience in the face of nuclear disaster. Let's embark on a journey into the unexpected world of radiation resistance. Meet the fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster, a tiny insect best known for buzzing around your kitchen and hovering over ripe bananas. While most people consider it a mere household nuisance, this unassuming creature is about to challenge everything you thought you knew about survival. In the quest to find the ultimate nuclear survivor, the fruit fly emerges as an unexpected contender. Its resilience goes far beyond its annoying persistence, hinting at a remarkable biology that could rival even the toughest species on Earth. Radiation refers to the energy emitted from sources like radioactive materials or cosmic rays, which can penetrate living tissues and disrupt cellular processes. When organisms are exposed to high levels of radiation, it can damage DNA and other vital molecules, sometimes leading to illness or death. The amount of radiation absorbed by a living organism is measured in grays, abbreviated as GI. For humans, a dose of just 4 to 5 GI is typically lethal, as it overwhelms the body's ability to repair the resulting cellular damage. This unit provides a standard way to compare how different organisms respond to radiation exposure. It might come as a shock, but adult fruit flies are capable of surviving radiation doses between 928 and 1,250 gray. To put that into perspective, these levels are up to 300 times higher than the amount that would be fatal for a human being. This remarkable resistance sets fruit flies apart from most other organisms, making them true outliers in the world of radiation survival. Their biology allows them to endure conditions that would be catastrophic for us, highlighting just how extraordinary these tiny insects really are. Imagine the radiation scale as a towering ladder, with humans falling off near the very first rungs. A dose of just 4 to 5 gray is enough to be lethal for us, as our rapidly dividing cells are highly sensitive to radiation damage. Now, picture the fruit fly climbing hundreds of rungs higher. Adults can survive doses between 928 and 1,250 gray, shrugging off levels that would obliterate any human. Their cells, mostly non-dividing, act like tiny fortresses against the onslaught of radiation. This dramatic difference highlights just how fragile our biology is compared to the astonishing resilience built into the humble fruit fly. Fruit flies possess remarkable radiation resistance, and this resilience is rooted in their unique biology. Their high fecundity means they produce large numbers of offspring, ensuring survival, even if many individuals are lost. With a short lifespan, their tissues are mostly post-mitotic, meaning the majority of their cells no longer divide. This is significant because non-dividing cells are far less susceptible to the catastrophic effects of radiation that typically target rapidly dividing cells. Together, these traits allow fruit flies to endure radiation levels that would be lethal to most other organisms. But here's the twist that even seasoned scientists find surprising. While adult fruit flies in some larval stages can withstand radiation doses that would obliterate most life, their early pupal stage is dramatically more vulnerable. At this point in their development, the median lethal dose plummets to just 50 gray, making them far more sensitive than at any other stage. This heightened sensitivity is likely due to the intense cell division happening as the insect transforms. So, despite their reputation for resilience, fruit flies have a hidden weak spot during this critical window of metamorphosis. Early pupae of the fruit fly are particularly vulnerable to radiation because this stage is marked by a surge in cell division. When cells are rapidly dividing, their DNA is more exposed and susceptible to damage from radiation. Unlike adult fruit flies, whose cells are mostly post-mitotic and less likely to undergo catastrophic errors, early pupae have many cells in the process of replicating their genetic material. Radiation can disrupt this delicate process, leading to lethal mutations or cell death. As a result, even relatively low doses of radiation can have devastating effects during this critical developmental window. Radiation resistance in fruit flies varies dramatically depending on their stage of development. While adult fruit flies can survive radiation doses hundreds of times higher than those lethal to humans, their resilience is not uniform throughout their life cycle. Larval stages, especially non-feeding third instar larvae, display the highest resistance, withstanding up to 1,590 gray. In contrast, early pupae are remarkably sensitive, succumbing to much lower doses due to intense cell division during this phase. These differences highlight how biological processes like cell division and tissue maturity influence an organism's vulnerability to radiation, offering valuable insights for radiobiology and potential protective strategies. When it comes to surviving extreme radiation, cockroaches have long held the reputation as the ultimate survivors, a claim we explored in our previous episode. However, the fruit fly challenges this legacy with astonishing resilience. Adult fruit flies can withstand radiation doses up to 1,250 gray, and certain larvae survive even higher levels, far surpassing the cockroach's maximum tolerance of around 100 gray. Yet, the fruit fly's early pupal stage remains a vulnerable point, with sensitivity kicking in at just 50 gray. While cockroaches are tough, the fruit fly's remarkable resistance across most life stages makes it a strong contender for the title of Radiation King. The fruit fly's astonishing resistance to radiation truly sets it apart in the world of nuclear survivors. Capable of withstanding doses hundreds of times greater than what would be lethal for humans, these tiny insects have proven themselves to be unexpected champions of resilience. Yet, even they have a vulnerable stage, with early pupae showing a surprising sensitivity. As we continue our search for the ultimate radiation survivor, don't miss out on future episodes. Subscribe to William Channel 44 to see which remarkable creature faces the next apocalyptic challenge.